This is part 3 of chapter 6, creating forms in Dreamweaver. Next we're going to add some list or menu items. A list allows you to put multiple items in a limited amount of space and allow the users to choose from those items. And we'll look at menus also. So come into this box and let's type in our label, accommodations. Next, from our forms, we're going to select list to menu, and let's give it the ID of accommodations. Now double click on it, and this way we can get to our menu to go ahead and enter the values here for it. Now next we want to click the list, saying that we want a list item, and the height we're going to place 2, showing we have 2 items at a time. Now we're going to click the list values, and we're going to type in the item label. Then we're going to type in the value that will be sent us if the person selects this item. Press the tab key to go to the next one. We're going to type in double. We'll type in double. Next one we're going to type in suite. We'll type in suite as the value for the next one. Then we'll type in luxury suite for the next one. And we're going to type in luxury underscore suite. Make sure you have no spaces in the values that's returned here. So notice we put the underscore for the luxury suite. Okay, now we'll click OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a menu next. So go down to the next one. We're going to type number of nights as the label. We move to the next one. We'll go back and go to the form. Go to the select list menu. We're going to give this one an ID of nights. We're going to click here. Make sure we have a menu type. And then we're going to fill in the list values for this one. So we're going to type in 1, give it a value of 1, 2, give it a value of 2, and so on, up to 7. And then click OK on that one. Now what we want to do is we want to select 1 as default, so we'll highlight this one here and it'll be selected as the default value when the system is run. And the same thing with our single up here. We're going to highlight single, and that way single is selected as the default value. Next we're going to add a jump menu, and a jump menu allows you to create links to other pages, other websites, other file types, and so on. You'll have 3 components of this: an optional menu selection prompt. This could be a category description for the menu items or instructions such as choose one. Second, a required list of linked menu items. When the user chooses an option, a linked document or file is opened. And third, an optional go button. With the go button, the user makes a selection from the menu and the new page loads when the go button is clicked. Without the go button, the new page loads as soon as the user makes a selection from the menu. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to row 9. We're going to type in links, press the tab key, and now we're going to insert a jump menu. So we go to here, go to Forms, and go down to Jump Menu. Now we're going to insert a jump menu. So here, text item 1 is selected. We're going to type in choose 1 and click the plus button. Come back here and we're going to put in Glacier National Park. And then we're going to type in the URL for that, so that when they click on this item, we go to the website http://www.nps.gov/glac/index.htm, and we'll click plus button. We'll go ahead and add several more menu items, and then I'll be back. Now we're going to change the menu ID to park_web_sites. And then we're going to click select first item after URL change. And then we'll click the OK button to add it to the form.